Social Science Section D. Instructions are: answer any 4 questions in detail from the question number 47 to 53. Question number 54 is of map filling. It is a compulsory question. 4 marks each. So total section is of 20 marks. Question number 47. Explain chemistry as an experimental science. Answer. The progress made in ancient India in the field of chemistry is as follows. Nalanda University has its own school of chemistry and furnace for study and research. Nagarjuna was the Acharya of chemistry at this university. Nagarjuna has written Ras Ratnakar and Arogya Manjari. He had advocated the use of allopathy with herbal medicines. He had pioneered the use of mercury ash as a medicine. The copper statue of Lord Buddha discovered at Sultanganj in Bhagalpur district, Bihar is 7.5 feet high and weighs a ton, and 18 feet tall statue at Nalanda reflects expertise in chemistry. The iron pillar Vijay Stamp built by Chandragupta II has not corroded after more than 1,000 years is the best example of alchemy. Question number 48. Write a note on the progress achieved by ancient India in the field of mathematics. Answer. A number of epoch-making discoveries in the field of mathematics were made in ancient India. Decimal system of weighing and measuring was in existence in the Indus Valley civilization. This was confirmed by the instruments of weighing and measuring discovered at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Aryabhatta discovered the figure 0. The process of writing figure 0 after a numerical was discovered by the sage Gruth Samad. Aryabhatta introduced Ashtang method for multiplication, addition, subtraction and for finding square root and cube root. He had written Dash Gitika and Aryabhattiyam. He found the solution to the problems of fundamental mathematics, that is, arithmetic and geometry. He propounded that the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7, is 3.14 and it remains constant to show the ratio of the circumference and the diameter of circle. He is regarded as the father of mathematics. The names of numbers made up by placing 53 zeros after 1 were discovered in ancient India. Bhaskaracharya had written Lilavati Ganit and Bij Ganit. He discovered the signs plus and minus, that is addition and subtraction. For addition and subtraction, Brahmagupta introduced various types of equations. Bodhayan discovered theorem. Apstambha defined the measurements of Yagnavedis in Shulva Sutras. Modern mathematics is rooted in these discoveries made by mathematicians in ancient India. Question number 49. Number 1. Why is the inclination towards organic farming increasing? Answer. The organic products are more nutritious. They have natural taste, sweetness and fragrance. They contain more minerals, vitamins and life-energizing elements. So there is more demand for organic agro products. The farmers also get enough economic returns. So the attitude towards organic farming is on the increase. Question 49. Number 2. Describe the favorable condition needed for growing coffee. Answer. Number 1. A temperature between 15 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius and about 150 to 200 centimeter rainfall are favorable conditions for coffee. Number 2. The coffee plant is reared under the shade of larger trees on mountain slopes in such a way that direct sunlight does not fall on it. Question number 50. What are the favorable conditions needed for wheat cultivation? Give the names of states that produce noteworthy amounts of wheat. Answer. The favorable conditions for wheat cultivation are fertile loamy or black soil, temperature between 10 degrees Celsius to 18 degrees Celsius at the time of sowing, and a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius while harvesting, and about 75 centimeters rainfall are favorable conditions for its growth. Wheat is not grown in the regions having more than 100 centimeters of rainfall. Such temperature exists in north and central parts of India during winter, but rainfall is not enough there. So wheat has to be provided with water through irrigation. Western Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana, these states contribute about 2/3 of the total national production of wheat. As there are more facilities for irrigation in these states, the per hectare production of wheat in these states is more due to the enormous wheat production. Punjab is known as wheat granary of India. Besides, wheat is also grown in Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Gujarat states of India. The Bhal region of Gujarat produces Bhalia wheat. Besides, Mehsana, Rajkot, Kheda, and Junagadh districts also produce wheat. Question number 51. Give information about any 4 programs implemented by the government for poverty alleviation in agriculture sector. Answer. Poverty alleviation in the agriculture sector are as follows. Number 1. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. This scheme is meant to increase irrigation facility for agriculture. It proposes to provide irrigation facility to the entire agricultural land, promotion of drip irrigation, and construct small, medium, and big size check dams. Such activities will also generate employment and income for the rural poor. Second, Prime Minister Farm Security, that is insurance plan. This plan proposes to provide farm security, provide financial assistance for loss or damage to the crops, purchase cotton, and provide remuneration prices to the agricultural produce. Number 3, National Drinking Program, Water Program, like PM's Krishi Sinchai Yojana. This program proposes to extend irrigation facility by improving the existing canal network, providing tube wells, check soil erosion and salinity, digging ponds, watershed development, construction of tanks, rainwater harvesting, lining of canals, renovation or revitalization of the check dams are the related activities. Number 4. Under this scheme, the ENAM scheme. Under this scheme, the farmers enlist their products and the buyers are put in direct contact. Thereby, intermediaries are eliminated. The farmers get remunerative prices due to competitive among the buyers. Question number 52. Poor people live in rich India. Explain this statement. Answer. India is said to be a rich country of the poor people. The riches of India had attracted the foreign invaders since the ancient times. The British exploited the rich natural resources of India. The British industries and the industrialists prospered. They exploited not only resources but also people of India. They made India a country of the poor people. A small rich class had always existed in India. They acquired riches and wealth by exploiting millions of the poor. Even today, the industrialists exploit the workers and the zamindars exploit the farm labor. There is a small rich class and the large majority is poor. Even today, about 30% of the people in India live below the poverty line. Thus, poor live in rich India. Question number 53. State the reasons for a high number of child laborers in India and mention the ways to stop this evil. Answer. Child labor is very much in demand in India due to the following reasons. Number 1. Child labor is much cheaper in comparison to adult labor. The employers are able to extract more work and give less wages to the child laborers. Number 2. Child labor is unorganized and cannot protest against exploitation. Number 3. Child labor can be forced or threatened to work for long hours in hazardous activities. Number 4. Child labor is available in plenty owing to the poverty. Number 5. Illiterate and poor parents in the rural areas are willing to send their children to work to add to the income of the family. Measures to prevent child labor are as follows. Number 1. Constitutional provision. No child below 14 years can be employed in a factory or occupation or job. If anybody breaks the law, legal action may be taken against employer. Number 2. After implementation of constitution or within 10 years, government will have to arrange free education for children up to 14 years of age. Number 3. Child cannot be exploited in any way in childhood or teen age. He cannot be deprived of moral security and physical comforts. Question number 53, extra question. What does social change mean? State the main factors responsible for social change. Answer. The process of change is taking place in social structure, social institutions, social values and the functions of the society is described as social change. Social changes are visible in social relations, family affairs, matrimonial arrangement, values, and lifestyle of people, as well as in the fine arts. Westernization, globalization, and urbanization are the main factors responsible for social change. The impact of materialistic culture, means of luxury, modern equipment is visible even in the rural areas. The changes have taken place in such physical things as the houses of people and their standard of living. The Western impact is more visible in the lifestyle of the people in the urban areas. Now, question number 54 is a map, that is outlined map, and you have to fulfill it with the given things. So, answer map is given below. So, just have a look at it.